Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to put multiple addresses on Google Maps, and we'll go step by step so you can easily organize your locations. Now let's get started. Step 1. First thing first, take your phone and open the Google Maps app. Make sure you are logged into your Google account, because without signing in, you won't be able to save your addresses or create lists that you can access later. Step 2. Once the app is open, either manually navigate to the place on the map or use the search bar to find the location. Zoom in on the screen carefully so you can see the exact spot, and if you want to save multiple addresses, you can select the location category. For example, a medical center or restaurant from the menu for clarity. Step 3. After selecting your first location, scroll down to find the various options at the bottom of the screen. Then select the Save option, choose New List, type a name for your list, and tap Create at the top. This will automatically save your first address in a separate list that you can manage later. Step 4. Go back to the map and repeat the process for another address selected. Scroll down again, select Save, and this time, if you already created a list, choose it to add the new address to the same list. Confirm your selection, and your new location will be saved automatically, keeping all your addresses organized in one place. Step 5. To make sure everything works correctly, return to the main map view and tap on the U tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your saved places and lists are stored, and it helps you manage and view your saved locations anytime. Step 6. Inside the menu, select the list you created earlier. Here, you will see all the addresses you saved, including the multiple addresses added through this method. You can continue adding more addresses to this list whenever you like, making it very easy to keep everything organized in Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.